Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see if you update iOS 18.2 in your iPhone. So this video is very important for you because of iOS 18.2 are introducing Gameoji features in iPhone. What is exactly new and how to use? We will see detailed information in this video. So now let's check it out in mobile screen. So let's start demonstration. Simply enter here setting, then general, then software upgrade. So here I install iOS 18.2 developer beta version. After that you receive this feature. Go back here, enter the message app. I simply enter here, search here, and then write here one of the contact, then type here. So here the text message, bottom of the screen, emoji options is available. You tap here, describe in emoji. This feature is available here, but here the end of the corner, the happy emoji, if you type here, so here the Gameoji feature is available. You just simply type here game and let's see which types of image we are receiving. So boom, the Gameoji are creating game related emoji here, and which one you want select, you simply select and then send it to them. It's amazing. If you again search something, you can tap here and type here car. Let's see. I just simply press here the car word and let's see which types of image we are receiving. Oh boom, the sports car, normal car we are receiving here. You can select this one and send it to them. It's amazing. Now question comes, this feature available everywhere? So I just simply open here WhatsApp, enter here the contact number and simply press here emoji and here Gameoji. Yes, this feature is available here. Simply create the car, and every time we receive different types of features and different types of option, not just copy and paste. That is really amazing. I enter here the Gmail and simply type here emoji and then Gameoji. I type here Gmail, so here email related options are coming here. If I say happy, let's see which types of Gameoji we are receiving here. Really amazing. Still this feature is beta version. We are receiving final version, and inside the final version we are receiving bunch of new features as well. You just simply use this one, attach this one and send it to them. It's amazing. These features available everywhere. You should use in Note application as well. Here the Gameoji feature is available here in Note application as well. You should type here consider and the car is coming there. It's amazing features they are introducing. If you really like this video, so please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.